So I'm going to test flight, guys, my FX 9603 FX Hobby. So this is brushless, guys. So surprisingly, I was surprised this is brushless, because I was not expecting this to be a brushless one, but I was very impressed and surprised, because this is what came is a brushless one. So very nice and very surprising, and I was kind of impressed. Very impressive. So it's time for her maiden flight. So FX 9603 brushless. Ooh, very nice. Very surprised. I was very surprised, because look at the design, look at the color combination and the design, guys. It's too nice, too attractive. It's very eye-catching. So I love the design, so I love the shapes. So as you can see, napakaganda niya. So cute. And brushless siya. That's the surprising feature of this little plane. Brushless siya. So again, no runway, no descent runway, so hand throw ulit. So control surfaces are fine. So 6G, I think this is only purely 6G. Okay, let's find out. FX 9603 FX Hobby, very nice, very good, very this is pretty and cute RC plane, 3 channel. Ooh, ooh. Dapat pala you hand draw this with more force. Uy, a little bit magalaw kahit naka 6G. Naka 6G yata to, default in 6G, but parang naka 3D siya, hindi siya ganun ka stable. She's not that too stable. Hindi siya ganun ka stable kahit naka 6G. Parang magalaw. And hindi siya ganun kabilis. Parang tansyahan to Parang naka 3D to Parang naka 3D or need some trims. Yung elevator niya parang kailangan ng trim. Uy, uy. Oh, mukhang mahirap paliparin to. It's not that responsive, and medyo unstable sa 3D ay sa 6G. Okay, highest rate, high rate. Oops, it's not that stable sa 6G, but it doesn't fly fast. Very slow flyer. I think slower than the Kutai A505. I think it can do loop. hard to control. I think kung beginner ka, you will find it hard to fly. It's not that easy to control, guys, to be honest. Meron siyang mga extra movement. Although I think naka 6G siya, but hindi siya ganun ka-stable. Ayun, pagka nililiko mo, just nose dive siya. But anyway, for the price, there's nothing to complain about the price or about this plane because it's cheap. It's not that expensive and brushless. Brushless motor, 3.7 volts. Medyo magalaw siya. Siguro hindi naman siya naka I think wala siyang 6G 3D mode. I think it flies only in 3D. Napaka-stable niya lang because of the dihedral wing. Yung wing niya lang yung nakakapagpa-stable sa kanya because of the design. Very dihedral. Pero I guess sana mali ako. It's not 6G. I think it's purely 3D. No stabilization, no gyro stabilization. I guess purely 3D to. Only the wing design makes the aircraft stable. Yung dihedral design ng wing niya. Okay rin siya. You just have to familiarize yourself with the control surfaces, with the controls and the reaction of the aircraft sa stick movement. You just have to familiarize yourself. It's like you are flying no stabilization RC plane, purely manual RC plane. It's almost close to that. No stabilization. Magalaw siya although stable siya, but it's not that too stable. There's some extra motion, extra movement. What? And medyo there's some delay with the especially sa elevator niya. So that's why you have to be attentive. You have to be alert pagdating sa elevator niya. Pero pagdating sa turn niya, rotation, no problem. Only sa elevator, that's why you have to be attentive and reactive and alert. Ayan Wow, nice. Nice na rin. Maybe like 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Nice na rin. You just have to familiarize. You just have to immerse yourself with the characteristics of this RC plane. You have to adjust. You have to adjust for a few moments, like maybe like 2 minutes of flying, and then you can adjust with this RC plane, yung characteristics niya and behavior. Now you can see it's very stable na. You just have to adjust and familiarize this RC plane. flyer na rin. Very nice, stable, and okay na rin once you adjusted yourself with the RC plane, with the controls. It's easy to fly na, and you can gain confidence. You can fly this RC plane with confidence na after 2 to 3 minutes of flying. You will gain your confidence of flying, because yun nga, you know, tulad ganyan, no? Wow, it's just loses its altitude. It's very dangerous for the beginners if you are not attentive. So you just have to fly this at high altitude. Or if you are going to turn this, you have to apply some elevator, like combination of rudder and elevator, to prevent losing altitude and prevent crash. Ganyan, no? Ayan, no? It just loses its altitude. It's still very nice. Yung design niya lang yung napakaganda. And of course, 3 channel, ang ganda na rin. And brushless. Ganyan, no? Ayan, no? It loses its altitude, oh. So that's why you have to be very wary and very attentive. Oops, ayaw nang lumiko. Why? What's wrong? Ayaw na lumiko. Why? What? Ayaw na lumiko. It doesn't want to turn. It doesn't want to rotate na. It doesn't want to turn. Ay, too far. I thought I'm going to recover to make the RC plane turn going to my direction. But it just doesn't respond. No response at all. I have no idea what happened. Maybe low voltage. Pero in the box, it has advertised flight time of 15 minutes. So wala pang 10 minutes. Layo, oh. Maybe low voltage. No response at all. Good thing I am flying in a tall grass, so some damage will be avoided. Sana yun? Layo. Ayun, oh, napakalayo. Or maybe out of range. Oh, nasa na yun? Maybe it's already out of range. What happened to you, my friend? Hey, meron pa. There's still some juice remaining. Still powerful, oh. Why kaya? Anyway, it's up to you guys. It's up to you. You just decide if this is a good RC plane or not. But this is just the test flight, so in short, I still have some adjustment to do, and I'm not yet too familiar with this RC plane, because I think FX or Feixiong, this is their first time to produce brushless RC plane, because when I was just starting to fly, I learned to fly with their product, the the glider. I don't know exactly the model, but I started with their 2-channel RC plane, the glider one. So I learned to fly with their product. I don't know exactly the model. It was a glider, 2-channel glider with 2 motor here, so it turns in a differential thrust. So anyway, I will do the test flight again next time.